A shocking incident created panic in Jabalpur after a live bomb was found during digging work near Dumna airport. The incident happened in Kadiri village under Khamaria police station limit, where construction work was going on at a local residence plot. Workers were digging around 3 to 4 feet deep for building pillar when they noticed a suspicious metal object buried underground. They immediately informed the police. Soon after, police team, bomb disposal expert and army official reached the location and inspected the object. Official confirmed it was a 12-kilogram live unexploded bomb with a dangerous impact range of nearly 50 meters. For safety, the area was sealed and people were asked to stay away. The bomb was later safely handed over to the army for further action and investigation. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav is on a visit to Jammu and Kashmir. On the first day, he visited the Vaishno Devi temple and offered prayers. He also reviewed arrangements made for pilgrims by the temple trust. On the second day of his visit, he reached Srinagar and met Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. The meeting was described as a courtesy visit. Officials said discussion focused on administration and development matters. The visit is being seen as important for strengthening ties and understanding better management system for tourism and public facilities. Senior Congress leaders gathered in Bhopal for an important political meeting focused on tribal rights, land and social issues. The meeting took place at Indira Bhavan and included State Congress Chief Jitu Patwari, former Chief Minister Digvijay Singh, Opposition Leader Umang Singhar and several senior leaders. Congress leaders discussed constitutional right of tribal communities and future political plans. Jitu Patwari alleged that tribal land was sold to private groups during the last 24 years under BJP rule. He claimed land grabbing is increasing in districts like Singrauli, Dhar, Ratlam and Umaria. Congress said it will strongly fight against injustice and crimes affecting tribal communities. A tense situation developed in Madhya Pradesh Khandwa district after police found cattle remains in a village area. The incident happened in Bariyatula village under Mundawa Gram Panchayat, where cut cattle heads and meat were reportedly found in plastic bags. Police immediately reached the spot and launched an investigation. 7 people have been arrested in connection with the case, while 2 suspects are still missing. Officials said some weapons believed to be used in animal cutting were also recovered. Videos related to the case are under examination. Police said the investigation is ongoing and the exact reason behind the incident will be confirmed only after detailed inquiry. A shocking video from a government hospital in Narsinghpur district has raised serious concern about healthcare services. The video reportedly shows a female cleaner giving injections and medical drip to a patient at Saikhera Community Health Center. Usually such medical work is performed only by trained nurses or hospital staff. After the video went viral, many questions were raised about patient safety and hospital management. Health officials said a detailed investigation will be conducted into the matter. Authorities added that strict action will be taken against anyone found responsible if rules were broken or negligence is confirmed. A woman from Indore became the victim of an online fraud after trusting a man she met on Facebook. According to police, the man claimed to be a businessman living in London and slowly gained the woman's trust by calling her his sister. He later promised expensive gifts and reportedly asked for money on different excuses. Police said the woman lost more than Rs 12 lakhs and even mortgaged jewelry and sold silver items to arrange money. After realizing she had been cheated, she filed a complaint. Police are now investigating and warning people to stay careful while talking to strangers online. The Madhya Pradesh government has announced that government schools will reopen on June 16 for the new academic session 2026 to 27. Officials said the reopening date was delayed because of a strong heatwave condition across the state. Teachers will now report to school from June 7th instead of June 1st after summer holidays were extended by 7 days. The second phase of the School Chale Hum campaign will also begin on June 16 and continue till June 30th. The aim of the campaign is to ensure school admission for every child, bring back dropout students and improve the quality of education across the state. Madhya Pradesh is seeing a big change in weather after days of strong heat. Many districts may get rain, thunderstorms, strong winds, and lightning. Weather officials said people can feel some relief from very high temperatures. Areas including Bhopal, Jabalpur, Indore, and nearby districts may see cloudy skies and rain activity. Some places may also face gusty winds and thunder. At the same time, heat may continue in a few districts. People are advised to stay alert during a storm, avoid open areas during lightning, and drink enough water to stay safe in hot weather.